Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best personalized chef hat is probably one of the most versatile and thoughtful gifts you can give to the aspiring chef, seasoned home cook, or culinary enthusiast in your life, offering a unique blend of practicality and personal flair that transforms a simple kitchen accessory into a cherished keepsake, making every culinary creation feel a little more special and a lot more personal. Number 5. Custom Named Chef Hats, Premium Quality. Introducing our personalized chef hats, designed for both men and women. Make it uniquely yours with custom name embroidery. Elevate your culinary presence with a hat that reflects your professional status. It's the perfect blend of style and personal touch. Crafted from premium quality materials, this hat is built for comfort and durability in any kitchen environment. Experience the difference quality makes. Looking for a thoughtful gift for the chef in your life? A personalized hat is a unique and practical present they'll truly appreciate. Stand out from the crowd with a chef hat that speaks to your individual identity. It's more than just headwear, it's a statement. Enjoy a comfortable and secure fit throughout your busy shifts. This hat is designed to keep you cool and focused on your craft. What we like? This option offers premium quality for a professional look. It features custom name embroidery, making it a standout choice for culinary professionals. If you are a chef who values durability and a personalized touch, this is the hat for you. What people say. The chef hat is made of high-quality, breathable cotton fabric that keeps you cool even during long cooking sessions. The adjustable strap at the back ensures a comfortable and secure fit for all head sizes. The personalized embroidery is neat and professional, adding a unique touch to the hat. Number 4. Custom Embroidered Chef Hat. Introducing our personalized chef hat, perfect for any culinary enthusiast. Add your name or custom text for a unique touch. Crafted for comfort and durability, this hat offers a professional look. Its adjustable design ensures a perfect fit for everyone. Whether you're baking at home, grilling in the backyard, or working in a restaurant, this hat is your ideal kitchen companion. Surprise the chef in your life with a thoughtful and practical gift. It's a great way to show appreciation for their passion. Elevate your cooking experience with a hat that reflects your personal style. Make it yours today. What we like? With custom text embroidery and an adjustable fit, this hat is designed for comfort and personalization. Its versatility makes it suitable for various settings, from baking to barbecue. If you need a hat that fits perfectly and can be customized with any text for your specific needs, consider this one. What people say. The chef hat is made of breathable cotton fabric, which keeps you cool even during long cooking sessions. The adjustable strap at the back ensures a comfortable and secure fit for all head sizes. The hat features a classic design with a tall, pleated crown that gives a professional look. Number 3. Chef Hat, Adjustable Baker Kitchen Cooking Cap. Tired of hats that are too tight or too loose? Our chef hat offers an adjustable elastic band for a comfortable, personalized fit every time you wear it. Crafted with your comfort in mind, this cap is perfect for long hours in the kitchen. It's lightweight and breathable, ensuring you stay cool while you cook. Whether you're a professional chef or a home baker, this hat is an essential addition to your kitchen attire. It provides a clean and professional look. Made from quality materials, this chef cap is built to last. It's easy to clean and maintain, making it a practical choice for everyday use. Available in a classic design, it complements any chef uniform. Look and feel your best while preparing your culinary creations. What we like? This hat boasts an adjustable elastic band for a comfortable fit and a simple, classic design. It's a no-fuss option for everyday kitchen use. If you prioritize comfort and ease of use in a chef hat, this is an excellent choice for home cooks and professionals alike. What people say. The chef hat is made of breathable cotton material, which is comfortable to wear for long periods. It features an adjustable strap at the back, allowing for a customizable fit for different head sizes. The hat is designed with a classic, professional look that adds a touch of elegance to any chef's uniform. Number 2. P51 Chef Twill Cotton Dad Hat. Introducing our classic dad hat, designed for both comfort and style. It's the perfect accessory for any casual outfit. Crafted from high-quality twill cotton, this hat offers a soft feel and durable wear. Enjoy breathable comfort all day long. Featuring a unique chef embroidery, this hat adds a touch of personality to your look. It's a subtle yet stylish statement piece. With an adjustable strap, you can easily customize the fit for maximum comfort. It's designed to suit everyone perfectly. This versatile hat is suitable for both men and women. It's a great addition to anyone's headwear collection. Whether you're running errands or enjoying a day out, this hat is sure to become your go-to choice. Experience the perfect blend of fashion and function. What we like. Crafted from twill cotton with a dad hat style, this offers a more casual yet stylish look. It's perfect for those who prefer a relaxed aesthetic. If you're looking for a chef hat that blends comfort with a fashionable, laid-back vibe, this option is ideal. What people say. The chef hat is adjustable and fits comfortably. It's made of breathable material, keeping you cool while cooking. The personalization option allows for a unique touch, making it a great gift. Number 1. Juvale Large White Chef Hats, 24-pack. Elevate your culinary experience with our large, white chef hats. Designed for both kids and adults, they offer a comfortable and adjustable fit for any head size. These disposable paper hats are ideal for pizza parties, cooking classes, or as a fun addition to any kitchen-themed event. They bring a touch of professional flair to any occasion. Enjoy a perfect fit every time. The adjustable design ensures maximum comfort, whether you're a seasoned chef or a budding culinary enthusiast. Cleanup is a breeze with these disposable hats. Simply use them and discard, making them perfect for busy kitchens and events. Looking for a unique gift? These chef hats make a fantastic present for anyone who loves to cook or enjoy the fun pizza party. It's a gift that's both practical and entertaining. Get more for your money with our convenient 24-pack. This bulk offering ensures you have enough for everyone, from your family to your party guests. What we like. This bulk pack of 24 disposable paper hats is perfect for events and parties. They are adjustable and ideal for kids and adults alike. If you're planning a pizza party, a cooking class, or need a cost-effective solution for a group, these hats are a fantastic choice. What people say. The chef hat is adjustable and fits comfortably. The material is breathable and lightweight, making it suitable for long cooking sessions. The design is classic and professional, adding a nice touch to the chef's uniform. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.